Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of IMVU. So today I'm gonna show you how to change the sky of the IMVU room. So first of all you need to log in your IMVU account, then go to shop. You need an open IMVU room with sky. So after opening your room, go to furniture, then you need to search here for sky dome, or you can search here for like sunset dome, sky dome, night dome, according to your room sky. Then click on try. So as you can see, this is night dome, but my sky is changed now. In this night room you can make any open air room like this. You can easily change the sky of open air room. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. So bye.